Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and today's video, I want to show you guys how to convert to black and white using Photoshop. There's several different ways I like to do it, and so many different ways. So right here on this layer, I'm gonna hit Command J to just create a brand new layer. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you right over here inside your adjustments panel. You have your levels, you have your curves, you have exposures, you have all kind of different things right here. But if you mouse right over this one, you'll see black and white. And as you can see, you can click that there, and you got black and white, and you see you have some sense of control. As you can see right over here in the person's face mask right here, when I go and move around the scions, you can see different things change within the black and white control there, which is one way to do it. So let's go ahead and throw away that layer right there. And I actually just added an adjustment layer. The second thing I like to do is hit Command Shift U. And I do believe that's a desaturation. I'm not 100% sure. I tried to find that up here in the panel when I hit Command Shift U, and the image flashes right here. So it's letting me know it's happening right over inside here. But when I look for Command Shift U, honestly, I cannot find. Here it is right here, U in saturation. So the U in saturation is all it's doing is pulling out the U in saturation, and you don't really have too much control over the black and white there. So let's go ahead and hit Command Z a couple times to get rid of that. And here's the last place that I like to go to when I do a black and white. I go over here to image, and I go over here to calculations. And when I come down to calculations, I have this dialog here where I'm able to make some adjustments. So I can see the different channels, the greens, and you can see we've got a little darker in the blues. And it's just a matter of really just playing around with these right here to see what kind of you get best, whatever the case may be. So I'll go to the grays there, I go to transparency, and you can see different things happening. And you can also change the blending options to see where the blending options will kind of work for you. Half of them work, half of them don't, but you can see right over here in the vivid light or the linear light where things do a little bit different there. So that's just several different ways to use black and white. I'm gonna hit Command Z and get rid of that, but through all the different ones that I've tried there, it's really going over here to my adjustment layer, go in the black and white, and I come over here and I just kind of click auto, and it kind of does this thing to where it adjusts those reds. If I hit Command Z, everything's at 40, 60, 40, 60, and 20 right over in there. Then I got 80 down here at the bottom. But when I click Auto, Photoshop kind of looks through the photo, and what I feel as though it gives me the best um, resolution or the best look when it comes to the black and white photo there. So this is how you work with black and white in Photoshop. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. And if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do so by clicking the little box here on the screen. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.